What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to go through how to set up the Phantom wallet so that you can buy and sell Solana tokens and buy and sell Solana NFTs, aka Chibi Shinobis, launching on Monday tomorrow. So yeah, anyways, I'll walk you through setting up the wallet. It'll be kind of similar to setting up a MetaMask wallet, but if you have no experience with Ethereum-based wallets or other wallets, don't worry, I'm going to walk you through all of the steps here and like tell you what's going on. And then we will then look at some NFT marketplaces and see like what that flow is like, and that's pretty much it. It'll be a short video. So all right, first thing you need to do is to go to phantom.app, and just make sure you're at the right URL. It's https://phantom.app, phantom.app. If you want to be extra sure, then like if you're using like Chrome or Brave or whatever, the browsers usually tell you like whether or not the connection is secure. You can click into the certificate thing and just make sure that the certificate says phantom.app. And it expires soon. Hopefully they renew it when that happens. Anyways, so yeah, this is the URL. You'll come here, you hit add to Chrome, and this will take you to the Chrome web store. I'm not sure how many other browsers they support. Maybe it's only on Chrome right now, but anyways, you'll hit that and then you'll be taken to the Chrome web store. You hit add to Brave, and then it'll just double check for you, just to be sure like the Chrome web store or Brave, the Brave browser doesn't review extensions for security and safety. So make sure you know what you're doing. And this is one of the few like Solana wallet options. So I'm just gonna add it, and yeah, give it a couple moments. It should install. And it says Phantom has been added to Brave. It should look like this. This new tab should pop up. I just have a new window over here, so it popped up over there. But it'll look like this, and we're gonna cancel this out, and then it's just gonna walk you through the setup process here. So I'll do it with you. Now, when you're doing it, make sure that other people are not looking at it, because there's gonna be sensitive information, including your secret recovery phrase and your password and all this other stuff that you don't want other people to see. So I'll just show you because I want you to see what it looks like. We'll create a new wallet, and here's the secret recovery phrase. This is the only way you will be able to recover your account. Please store it somewhere safe. Take this to heart. Usually when I set up an actual account that I'm going to use, I'll put this maybe in my password manager, like 1Password, because I trust that enough, and I'm not going to keep that much money on this like browser wallet. Most of my long-term holds are in much more secure holding mechanisms, like a multi-sig wallet and like a hardware wallet and all this other stuff. But just to give you some context, like this is the key security point. So what I'm going to do for the purpose of this video is I'm going to just store it on my Notion doc, which is not a good place to store it because Notion is it's connected to the cloud and they store it on their servers. So basically as soon as I pasted it in here, Notion knows about my password and all this other stuff. So don't do that, but there it is. Okay, so it says, okay, I saved it somewhere. We're going to move on to the next step now that I've saved it. Now, creating a password is kind of like creating a PIN number at an ATM machine. You put in your debit card, you punch in your PIN, and then you can withdraw or deposit money. Similarly, with these wallets, with this wallet interface, the secret recovery phrase is really the most important part, kind of like the debit card in the ATM transaction. But then the PIN is also really important because that's kind of like an extra layer of security, and it's like a convenient way to like prove that you are this person. So for this password, I'm just gonna put like 123 password, which is like the least secure possible password ever. So don't do this password, but that's the password we're gonna use for now. And then we're going to agree to the terms of service and save. And then there is a keyboard shortcut. I'm not gonna use it because I have it overridden by my Loom. So if I did this, it would pause the video. But if you don't have other conflicts, then this is the shortcut that will pop open the wallet. Now, what I usually like to do instead is actually go into the extensions bar here and then just pin that extension. So it'll show up right there. And then when I click on that, boom, the wallet interface shows up. I got my address, I got how much money I have, how many Solana I have, etc. So that's pretty much it. And then it'll just say you're all done, finish, and then it's telling you to open the thing. Okay, cool. So let's look at this real quick. So in the actual wallet interface, it's like the most important thing is probably this address. So if I click that, it'll automatically copy my address to the clipboard. So I can paste that out for you to see. This one says bad XPKLHZOZ yada yada yada. So this is the unique identifier of this particular account that I'm looking at right now. So if I wanted to deposit Solana into this wallet, I would have to send it here. So if I'm buying Solana on Coinbase or FTX or anywhere else, this is the address that you paste in to be the recipient to send it to this wallet. So that's important. The other important thing, which is pretty intuitive, is just like how much money in US dollars your Solana is worth. So there's probably a way to change the currency, but that's the default. And then there's you can manage the token list, and this is like depending on what tokens you want to be displayed in your wallet, you can add those manually. Sometimes they're added automatically. And then right here you can see receive and send. I can't send any right now because I don't have any, but if I want to receive, send wallet exchange, they have this nice convenient QR code. This is super safe to share with other people because this is just your public key. But again, if I copy this, this is the same address that we have earlier. So yeah, that's where we send the Solana. Cool, so that's pretty much it that you need to like get started really. I'll go through some really quick other features. You can, for example, create like a secondary wallet account. So I might create a new wallet, and then this would be wallet number 2. So maybe I want to have different wallets for different purposes. And I can rename them too. So in settings, I can call this wallet 2. I can call it like maybe my test account. And then maybe this is the account that I use for my development as a software engineer. I'm going to be testing out some apps. So I'll just make sure that no real money ever goes in here. It's just like fake money. So maybe that's a test account. And then maybe if I click on this wallet 1, this is like purchases. So I'll actually use this to purchase things and then transfer them into my hardware wallet or whatever. So yeah, you can rename them like that, and then boom, it's like kind of more easily recognizable. You can lock the wallet manually. So once you lock it, it'll ask for your password. So you got to make sure you remember your password. It's nice. What's nice is that you don't have to enter your whole like secret key every time. So you only need this secret recovery phrase when you're going to a new browser or a new computer. Then you want to like make sure that computer, like it doesn't have it stored. So you have to like put it in. But for now, enter password, boom, unlocked. Cool, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna pause for 1 second. I'm gonna load my wallet, and then we're gonna go to the store. All right, so I have loaded my wallet account. So you can see here, I really only have one wallet. I have not much money. It's like 1.34848 Solana. It's worth about $259 right now, US dollars. And then this is my address. So you're familiar with all of that. What I'm going to do now is go to Solanart. This is one of the few NFT marketplaces that exists on Solana for the Solana blockchain. So when I go there, this is the URL is solanart.io. So once you go here, they make sure that you know that they're in beta. So let me make this a little bigger. They're in beta version. Please exercise discretion when using the platform and report any bugs you may encounter. So they're definitely in the newer phase of their development. They're not as mature as OpenSea just yet, but they're trying pretty hard. So you can say, let's go. And then this is their marketplace. So you can see there's like 2,824 daily sales. I don't know if that's, I guess that's number of NFTs, because here is where they track daily Solana volume. So almost 8.5K in daily Solana volume, which is, that's pretty sizable. That's a sizable amount of money. How much is that? It's like 200 bucks for Solana right now. So it's like $1.7 million every day, which is, you know, nowhere near OpenSea right now with like Ether, but it's not nothing. So there's Degenerate Ape Academy. I think that's one of the oldest ones. Soul Punks, I guess that's like a copycat of CryptoPunks. Not very attractive to me. I hate like copycat projects. Bless you. And then yeah, soon we're gonna try to get Chibi Shinobis onto this platform. We're first focusing on the mint, making sure that goes well. But then after that goes well, then we can try to integrate with this marketplace. It's a little bit harder to integrate than with something like OpenSea, because OpenSea has the ERC 721 standard. But anyways, point is we'll work on it. So when you're on here, let me go back here. When you first enter Solanart.io, you have this option to connect your wallet, and that's the way you connect to the site. That's the way you log in. So you connect to the wallet, you hit Phantom, connect. Oh, I didn't know they have this auto option. That's kind of nice. Connect. It's going to ask for my signature. It's going to say this app would like to view your wallet balance and activity and request approval for transactions. So basically, when you're shopping, the wallet is going to be the one to like manage that for you. So you're just giving that permission right now. And then, boom. Once you connect, then you can see here, I am now logged in. And so on my personal page, you can see I've already purchased a one NFT. It's a Soul Bear. I'm currently listing it for 12 Soul. I don't expect it to sell, but that's what it's listed for. I really liked the pickle. I thought that was funny. So yeah, that's my wallet. I own one NFT on Solana, and that's pretty much it. So hopefully you can get set up. If you need help, ask questions in the comments, and I'll see you next time.